Hey guys, it's Sharon. Welcome to our channel. So today we had no intention of really making a video. It started out with the typical marital dispute of what we're gonna make for dinner. I'm like, hey honey, let's make the bacon chicken Brussels. Nah, we had that like 6 weeks ago. And I was like, okay, let's have our chicken bacon Alfredo broccoli dish. No, I wanna watch our white sauce that we're doing. And I'm like, well, what about the fathead dough pizza recipe that I sent you the picture of yesterday? Oh, what are you talking about? So I was like, look at your phone. So how many people have discussions like this? So I was like, okay, let me go to Google. Let me find something totally different we've never had before and see what we can come up with. So we're scrolling through and then we see Chaffle. And we're like, what the heck is a Chaffle? So we look at it and it's a waffle made with cheese and egg. And we said, this looks interesting. Let's look at this. It looked amazing. So we were like, okay, let's pack the kids up. Let's head over to Walmart. Let's go buy ourselves a waffle maker and see what we can do. We made one of them and oh my goodness, one of the best tasting things we've ever made. So we decided, you know what? We're gonna share this with all of you guys because it's so easy to do. The original recipe is literally half a cup of cheese and 1 egg. That's all it is. And then seasonings, however you desire to season it. I said, you know what, let's get creative. I generally don't follow too many recipes, so I literally winged it. So we're gonna see how these come out. We're also going to make a jalapeno cream cheese one. I've kind of pre-mixed it just to save time so you don't have to watch me babble for 20 minutes. We're gonna do a pizza one. It's just sauce and some cut up pepperonis. And then we're gonna do a cheddar chaffle. Think of like a Red Lobster cheddar biscuit. So I've just got some green onions. We're gonna mix in some garlic and we're gonna hope for the best. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack the eggs into each one. I've already measured out a half a cup of cheese. I was told in the recipes we kind of looked at that was important to do the half a cup. So that's already pre-measured. And I'm just gonna crack an egg into each one and mix it. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this up. Okay, so this is mixed in nice and good. I love seasonings. There's no way to go wrong. Put in whatever you guys want. So this is going to be our original one. I'm doing Himalayan salt, some pepper, a little bit of garlic, and then parsley. I love parsley. I don't know if it's the color. It's just pretty. Okay, this is mixed up nice and good. And then just kind of place it in the center and evenly disperse it. It probably won't make a perfect shape, but you know what? No big deal.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so while this one is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and mix the next one. It's the same. It's literally just the egg and mozzarella cheese. Remember, it's the half a cup of cheese, 1 egg. Get it mixed in nice and good. This one we're gonna add in, it was 2 ounces of cream cheese that I did. It was just lightly defrosted or at room temperature. And then I sliced up about half a jalapeno. You can do as much or as little as you want. If you like things spicier, do a whole jalapeno. If you don't like spicy and you don't like jalapeno, skip this one, don't do this one. So this one we're gonna do our pizza creation. So again, we're gonna start with the same base of half a cup of cheese and 1 egg. Okay, about 30 seconds more. And again, I just kind of eyeballed this one as far as pizza sauce and pepperoni. You don't have to get super anal about it. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. That looks so good. We're gonna let that one cool. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put in my jalapeno cream cheese one. And after this one is in, I'll finish mixing. I'm gonna go ahead and mix the pizza one now. So again, I just did a little bit of sauce We did Don Pepino. We did maybe like 2 tablespoons. But again, you can do as you see fit. Modify it to how you like it. And then I cut up, I think, 6 little pepperonis, cut them into quarters. So this one is ready. This one that I'm doing right now, we're doing the cheddar biscuit. So instead of doing a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, we did 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese with the egg. And I'm gonna put in some green onions. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up now. This was our cream cheese jalapeno. Nice little crisp on the cheese over here. Show you the other side. So right now I'm gonna do the pizza one. This was the pizza one. So Joe and I came up with a great idea. As our pizza one was a failure, womp womp, we decided that we're just gonna start with the regular mixture. We're gonna lay the pepperonis on top, and yes, I did clean off the surface in between. And then we're gonna simply dip it into the sauce, and we think that will solve the trick and be amazing. Okay, I'm about to pull out our pizza one.
Number 2.
Pizza attempt number 2. This one definitely worked much better. It definitely helped not having the sauce. Look at this beauty. Look at all those pepperonis. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So this worked so much better. So if you've been watching from the beginning, I would not recommend adding the sauce to your chaffle. I would definitely recommend just doing what we did, adding the pepperoni on top of it, and then you can dip it into the sauce, or just eat it with just the pepperoni. Either way, I think it'll be amazing. We're gonna go ahead and take this one out now. This was our cheddar. That smells so good. If you could smell what our kitchen smells like right now, oh my goodness. So Trinity, what do you think of our chaffles?
Like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
Ding ding!
Thanks for watching, guys.